See the first two large triangles, one median triangle, that is the below part, and one parallelogram, one right triangle, one square, and again one right triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pieces we got. Now I am taking a scissors. Using the scissors we can cut these lines and make into 7 shapes. After that we are making mathematical shapes, numbers, alphabets, or some animals like that, cat, boat, candles, anything. What all we need we can make just for fun. That's enough. That is the 10-gram activity. So I am going to cut this. So let's cut using these lines. When you cut this, you have to take care about the sides, edges. Then only you can make. So cut all the points, all the lines. The line should be neatly given. Then cut each one. You can cut it. This is the first one, our large triangle. Small one. Now we got 2 large triangles. Again this portion is the, I am going to cut each one. We can cut these lines. Take care about the lines. Now we got 7 shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we all familiar with these shapes. So from our square paper we make 2 large triangles, 2 small triangles, 1 median triangle, 1 square, and 1 parallelogram. So I cut all the shapes. Now we got 7 shapes. And now it's my duty. I'm again going to rearrange these shapes into different shapes. We can make, first I am going to do one shape. Let's do one boat first. Using this, first we can take one by one. We can take, first you take a small triangle like this. You can take a small triangle first, small right triangle that you keep here, and below you can keep the square. Now it look like this. Now we can take the bigger large triangle. Now we keep like this. Now it look like a house. What we are going to do next is we are taking this median triangle. One median triangle we have that we took, and we can keep it here. Then take the large triangle. Large triangle you can keep it over here. Then after that one more large triangle we have that we are keeping here. Just place attaching with the previous large triangle. You can keep it there. Now almost the shape came. And one more piece we have that you can keep here. Then at the last one, this is the just small change. Okay. Now the last one, right triangle, that keep on the last session. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our 7 shapes. Now we make it as going to make a rabbit. This is the our square. Keeping the square first. Taking a parallelogram. That parallelogram we can keep like this. Turn your parallelogram towards left. Like that. This is the head. Rabbit shape you are making. And the next what we are doing is take the large triangle. That large triangle you can keep it like this as a body. Moving this, you can keep it here. So it's a rabbit shape. Next is our median triangle. median triangle is there. We have one median triangle is there. One more large triangle is there. The large triangle we can keep this side as this. See, both the bases should attach. Now it seems like a large parallelogram. So what we are going to do next is, now 1 2 3 4 shapes is there, and the next is we have 1 2 small triangles is there, one median triangle is the median triangle. We can keep it here. Median triangle I kept here. Next, this is the small right triangle that I kept here. Again, one more small triangle is there that I keep it here. See, now it seems like a rabbit. It's a head, body, leg, like that. Now see the image. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 pieces I joined and make it as a rabbit. Next we are going to make a turtle. So first take that small square we have, that we can keep it as a diamond shape. Keep that as a diamond, that is head part. Now after that we have two large triangles. That two triangles, first one you can just attach with the diamond section, means our square, and the second largest triangle we are keeping like this. Now 1 2 3 shapes is there. So it's what we are going to make is turtle. So next is two small triangles we have. We can keep it as its leg. Keep one, it is here, and another one also can keep. See, now it's almost the body is okay. Turtle we are going to make. Now we have two shapes. One is median triangle and the another one is parallelogram. That median triangle we can keep it here, and one parallelogram we have. That parallelogram I kept here. It's almost seems like a turtle is going in water. It's going, how it is going, like its cape. Now it is the turtle shape. So we did three shapes. One boat we did, turtle we did. So hope you all are well understood about tangram. So when you get free time, try to do with tangram and make your maths fun, enjoying well. Also keep study your lessons. That's all about the session. Thank you.